Hi, my name is Victor Bart and this is my Unimog 404, and to get in and out the 404 you really need to climb up the tire and slide in. So this piece gets a lot of abuse of shoes sliding over it, and here the paint disappears. So to prevent that, I bought some HPX Black Protection Film and some roll of 5 meters and 150 millimeter wide. So I'm gonna cut a piece and put it here. And as you can see, it's really easy to cut it with scissors and a knife and make it the size you want. So here's the black film, and on the other side there's a piece of paper to protect the sticky part. Let's clean it so there's no crease or any dirt left. So let's set on line so we can have the right size. Now we're gonna remove the paper here and we're gonna apply it without any water under it, and for my Unimog that's fine. I really like the result, and it's pretty easy to install. With the roller you can roll it down, and this roller is probably as old as the Unimog. And with a knife you can cut the corners here to make a better line, or if you have an air bubble you can remove it. But the installation is nice, so let's test out the door. And with the door closed you don't see it. You can also use it on places where, for example, this chain is against the bumper. So let's install a piece here. So now it can't scratch the paint here. Thanks for watching.